All right, let's start this beast up. All right, boom, baby. Where we going, Shy?
We're going to the car show, and I'm driving to the car show.
Boom. Mommy's not here with us now, but she's taking us to the car show. It was Mommy's brilliant idea. You excited, Shiloh?
Yeah.
Yeah? What kind of car and trucks you want to see, Shy?
Hot rods.
Hot rods. Yeah, me too. I want to see some hot rods, and I want to see some trucks like Frankenstein. Boom, baby. Looks like we're a little early. See a couple cars over there. A couple down there. Down there. Let's check it out. So we pulled up, but we're kind of torn because, like, there's a couple cars over here. You know, you got like a 57, I think, over there. You got this guy with his Dodge, was it Dakota? And you got these guys over here. These guys got some pretty cool stuff, but we're trying to figure out if we should just wait and hang out with this guy, or maybe those people, or maybe that guy, or if we should go to the other one. That's what we're trying to figure out now. See, they got a little hangout going. A little Corvette back there with the American flag on it. We decided to go to the one in Scottsdale. So obviously right now with COVID, I'm sure, you know, a lot of people aren't going out. So I'm sure that's a big part of it. We've gone by that car show before and it was really busy. So it could be early, but I think it could a lot have to do with the COVID. So we're gonna go to the Scottsdale one. There's always cars there, and it happens to be the exact same time right now, so we're gonna run over there. Boom. Alright, so we drove out to Scottsdale, and there's no cars in Scottsdale, which is crazy because this one always has cars, but it just must be this COVID situation. We're gonna go back to the Mesa one, and hopefully some more cars showed up. Pretty cool. Yeah. 5.0. It's pretty cool. It's pretty rad. Yeah. Yeah.
I wish I can have that.
Post office.
Kind of like a pinto.
Yeah.
What's in the back?
How you guys doing? Yeah, it's pretty hot, huh, Shy?
Yeah, I should have been fine. That's fine.
This thing's pretty awesome.
Can I take
I like the grill. You like the grill on that, Shy?
Yeah. Can I take a picture of one? Can I take a picture of one?
Yeah, what do you want to take a picture of? Look, they got the Corvette over there, too.
I think I know which one.
I love these Chargers. These guys supercharged. Look at that. It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, but I like that one over there.
Which one?
See that one? See
The
that
yellow one?
one?
Cadillac? Or how about that one?
That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, I'm gonna get it.
Me too. I wouldn't mind having that.
Do I have enough money in my pocket? Hold on. Nope. I ran out of money. Nothing in my pocket. I can't buy that.
800,000 miles?
That's
Jeez.
what I'm talking about.
That one, the white one?
Yeah.
So unfortunately, it was not the huge turnout that we expected, but I was able to get my classic car fixed. How about you, Shiloh? Do you like it? Yeah, the guy with the yellow Ford that we were looking at last, he was really cool. He was really nice. He was telling us about his car. We chatted with him for a little bit. But hey, you know, at least you gotta see some cars. You know, what are you gonna do? It's COVID. Boom, baby. Like and subscribe, right, Shy?
Yeah, guys. So bye.
Yeah, like and subscribe, baby.